Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art and this is the design for today. And it's all about sparrows, what a story that Jesus told. And this is how we make it. So, I'll put this one up here and bring down my bits. Now I've coloured them in and cut round. Now what do I do first? First of all I do this part here. Well, I've folded these fold lines and I've stuck some double-sided sticky tape on there. I folded this fold line and stuck some sticky tape on there because the towel will be glued down. Now you've got some lines here to fold. If you do it like that and then fold it over on this line, or that side you can fold it on that dotted line like that. That's those folds. And this one is fold it on that dotted line, and then we cut the hard line and then fold over on the dotted line. Now I put double-sided sticky tape on that side, and then I'll bring this through like a beak, like that. So that's quite easy. Now what I'll do is I'll put this wing on. So that's this one. So I'll stick that one on here, like that. So that's that one, yeah. So that will sit comfy, being folded over, okay. Now this one, I'll move it over there for a minute. Right, I need to stick, if you have a look on here, I need to stick it down like that on the wing. So I've put some double-sided sticky tape on this side of the fold. So the wing can come on there, on that line, like that. That should be able to fold over. I didn't have it quite folded right. Okay, so that will fold over like that easily. Okay, now I'll get this back piece. So I need to stick that on there. On the template, I've just put some little faint lines to help put it in the right position. So I'll line it up there, then I'll get my towel and stick that towel down. Like that, and line it up with the other lines. So I'll go there. And then this one, I'll stick that down flat there. And then, I got this right. Yeah, that should go flat. This piece should, yeah, that should go like that, yeah. So those wings will fold over, and I'll fold it over like that and get a natural fold there, and ta-da! Bit tricky, but I'm sure you had real fun making that. God bless and see you next time.